Hello, Southern Asphalt Engineering team. My name is Samantha. I'm reaching out from Feed Me Leads. I spoke to Carlos today and he told me to send over the screencast for you guys. And so I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I just want to go through your site really quickly. I'm going to go through one of your competitors' sites, and then I'm actually going to give you 3 ways that you can use today for free to start bringing in some more traffic to your site. And so I send these screencasts out with all this free information, but often when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and you feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. But without further ado, let's get into it. And so here I am on your home page, which I can tell right away that you guys definitely spent some time or some money into this, and it looks really good. However, there is not a lot of content on here. And so Google is going to be ranking your website based off of around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. You want to have a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words on this home page. I did a word counter search, and you guys currently have 569 words. So we definitely want to add in some more content here. We also want to make sure that content is quality educational content. Google is going to send out their bots, and they are going to crawl through your site and determine whether or not the content on it will help Google's users find the information or the services that they're looking for. And in addition to having the appropriate amount of content, we want to make sure that content has the appropriate amount of keywords so that we can get you ranked for all of the right things. And so over here, I've hopped over to Google. The keyword I'll be using for today's video is Paving Miami. This is a really great keyword. It brings in around 200 searches per month. So if you were to convert just a few of those into customers, you would be doing really well for just one keyword. And so right beneath the search bar here, we have our Google Ads. There is one popping up at the moment. Google Ads are a really good way to get your name out there and build some brand recognition, particularly while you're waiting for your SEO to warm up. However, if they're done incorrectly, you can definitely waste quite a bit of money on these. But if they're done right, they are a good way to get things moving quickly. And so right beneath the ads here at the top, we have our Google Map Pack. And so the Google Map Pack is a great spot to be in if you can make it into one of these top 3 spots. In order to do that, you have to have a lot of citations. And so a citation is just when your business is listed on an online directory. So think Yelp or Yellow Pages or Yext. Those are all good examples of online directories that people trust and use a lot. And so you want to be on more of those online directories than these 3 businesses are right here. And so now I've scrolled down and I've made it to the organic search results. This should definitely be the main area of focus. It's going to be your best long-term return on investment. Google has actually come out and said that over 70% of people, when they type something in the search bar, they're going to click on one of these organic search results, and they're almost always going to click on one towards the top of the first page. And so here is the first company page that pops up for this keyword. And so their site looks pretty good as well. I actually did a word counter search on them, and they currently have 492 words. So you are technically beating them out with the amount of content, but we definitely want to make sure the content you do have is properly optimized and has the right keywords in there. And so in addition to content, in order to rank organically, you need to have a lot of high-powered backlinks. And so a backlink is basically just a shout out from another website. You want to get these shout outs or backlinks from high-powered and relevant websites. So for example, if a local construction company were to give you a backlink from their site, that would be a really good way to bring some more power to yours. And so over here, I've hopped over to Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a really great tool. If you guys ever try and bring this in-house, I highly recommend using it. It is a little pricey. It costs me around $350 per month, but it gives me a lot of great information. And so right here, I typed in the competitor that we were just looking at, and I can see that they have around 2,380 backlinks from 221 different domains, and they are ranking organically for around 828 keywords. And so here I can take a look and see which keywords those are. And so we want to be looking for keywords that have buyer's intent and also bring in a lot of volume and are preferably location specific. And so here it will list all the different keywords they're ranking for, how many people search for that keyword every month, what position they hold for that keyword on Google, and how much traffic it brings them every month. And so we can go through and see which ones are the best and incorporate those into your content. And so now I want to go back and I want to do the exact same thing that I did with the keywords with their backlinks. And so it is telling me that they have around 2,380 backlinks. And so we don't want to just beat them out with the quantity of backlinks, we want to beat them out with the quality as well. We can go through and see which ones have a high DR domain rating. We can go through here, snag the best ones, go through some other competitors' backlinks, and then find some on our own as well. And so having over 2,000 backlinks, that is quite a few, but it is definitely beatable. However, do keep in mind that this is just one competitor for one keyword for one of the services that you provide, and we want to be able to beat out all of your competition. And so really quickly before I wrap this up, I've actually typed in your website into Ahrefs as well. And right now it's telling me that you guys have around 1,100 backlinks from 153 domains and are ranking organically for around 1,200 different keywords. And so we can take a look and see which keywords those are. And so you guys are ranking pretty well for a lot of different keywords, but a lot of these are national keywords. So a lot of the people that look this up will not be in your area. So we definitely want to focus on some more location-specific keywords. Also, the keywords that you are ranking for a few first, but a lot of the other ones you're ranking towards the bottom of the first page or the second page. Right here, I've actually pulled up a graph, and so you can see the first result on Google gets a little under 30% of the clicks. Second gets a little bit more than half of that, and it just goes down and down and down. You guys have built a pretty good foundation, but I think that we can get you rised in the ranks. With the three things that we talked about. So to recap what those were, number one, we want to add in some more quality educational content with the right keywords, preferably location-specific keywords. Number two, we want to get you some more citations to get you ranked on the map pack. And then number three, we want more high-powered relevant backlinks. And so that is what I have for you for today. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this and got something out of it. If you are interested in learning more, you can email me back or you can give me a call. My number is 714-975-5909. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you.